A federal judge today ordered the Trump administration to temporarily end its deployment of the National Guard in Los Angeles and return control of the Guard to the state of California. NTD's Arlene Richards has more.
In a lengthy written order on Wednesday, federal judge Charles Breyer ordered the Trump administration to temporarily end the federalization of California's National Guard. Breyer said there was no evidence that federal law was being obstructed in Los Angeles, where 300 guardsmen have remained since the initial deployment in June. The judge rejected the Justice Department's argument that since the initial deployment was lawful, the court could not review subsequent redeployments of those troops. Breyer said the president's power to call up the National Guard for federal service is not an exclusive power, and that it can be checked by a judge. California Governor Gavin Newsom's attorney had argued that two subsequent 90-day extensions that pushed the deployment until February 2, 2026 were unjustified, and Breyer agreed. In June, Breyer granted Newsom's request to temporarily block the first deployment. President Trump had federalized 2,000 California National Guards in June after unruly protests broke out in response to federal immigration arrests. The government appealed that decision, but the appellate court has yet to make a ruling on it. Now, Breyer stated that by August, the situation in Los Angeles had calmed down and local police could handle the policing of the area, and that reports of unrest that occurred in October were isolated incidents that didn't warrant National Guard intervention. Rejecting the Justice Department's argument that the president was unable to execute laws with regular forces, the judge offered that the president could have made use of his own military stationed in California. The judge declined to grant Newsom's request for all future deployments to be automatically blocked and instructed him to challenge them in court. Arlene Richards, NTD News.